The crawl space area of your home is located underneath the floor system of the home and is enclosed with either load or non-load bearing perimeter walls. The ground of your crawl space may be covered with a concrete slab or by a plastic ground cover called a vapor barrier. Crawl space walls must be ventilated. An access panel or door into your crawl space is required so the utility hookups can be assessed. Having your crawl space perimeter walls insulated with special panels can help reduce energy costs and maintain the energy efficiency of your home. It's possible to insulate the crawl space on your own, but we recommend hiring a professional to do it to ensure it's installed properly. The vapor barrier under your home is in place to reduce the movement of moisture into your home. If there are tears, gaps, or holes in the barrier, make sure to repair them as soon as you notice them. If you need to repair small holes and tears, you can repair them using a weather-resistant tape meant for exterior use. Larger holes may need a piece of 6mm minimum polyethylene plastic that is cut to fit the size of the hole. Ask your local hardware store for help finding the correct materials. Do periodic inspections to check the vapor barrier and ensure that there are no water leaks causing moisture buildup, such as pooling water. When you inspect the area under your home, use the access point that was provided when your home was set up. This will be a spot located along the base of your home and a minimum of 3 square feet in area size. If you have trouble locating the access point, contact your local home center where you purchased your home, and a knowledgeable home consultant will be happy to help you locate it. There are a few things you can consistently do that will help you keep your crawl space in shape. We recommend that you check below your home for tears in the vapor barrier or moisture buildup at least once a year. If you find any excess moisture, try to find the source of the water first. If the water is coming through your foundation, we recommend contacting a local contractor who can repair the foundation. Remember these tips for the crawl space under your home to help keep the systems in your home running efficiently.